Look, it's Tony. It's Tony with Mike and Shannon. Hi, Tony. Say hi, Tony.
Hi, Tony.
Look at Mike. Smile for us, baby. There you go. He doesn't have a big smile sometimes because he's working hard. He's sweating like me. I said, I can't wait to get out of these sweaty clothes, right? And I got my Master's Hammer and Chisel. This is a shirt I got for free because Mike and I completed the Master's Hammer and Chisel. And on the back, it says, Master at Work, which we are, right? Masters at Work. He doesn't have his on today. We got on today. Iowa Hawkeyes. Yeah. All right, guys. Today we did Total Synergistics. That's the first workout. This is Monday, first day one of our journey with Tony again. This is our favorite program. Mine anyway. I hope it's Mike's too. We love it. A lot of pull-ups, a lot of push-ups. And now we're going to go have dinner. I don't know about you guys, but that's what we're going to do. Have a good night. Tony. Whoa, P90X3.
Get some.
Thank you. Get some. Yeah.